Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about the dollar index and the Bitcoin chart, why we believe Bitcoin is about to collapse in November and in December. This is not a financial advice. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. This is the dollar index chart. Okay, we're looking here on the monthly picture. Okay, look at the monthly chart. Okay, this here was the look at this trend line. Okay, watch this trend line of support on the monthly picture. Every time it bounced from this trend line, you get a major collapse. That was the collapse of 2011. That was the collapse of 2014 bear market for Bitcoin. This bounce was the 2021-2022 bear market for Bitcoin. Now we're bouncing from this trend line in 2025, and we believe in 2026 Bitcoin is going to collapse. Now all these clowns will tell you the extended cycles. Mr. Hayes is saying the cycle is going to extend till 2027 and 2028. Total nonsense. They are selling you snake oil. The dollar chart tells you be careful. Markets are going to collapse bad. We're going to show you many reasons market will collapse. Better subscribe to this channel because this is the only channel that will keep you level-headed, posted regularly, and also in a bear market once it's going to trigger, because all your moon boys are going to disappear. Now look, this is dollar index as well. Look at this, the momentum here, okay? Crossing up here on the monthly, bad, okay, bad. You have a cross here on the monthly, right here. Let me show you this, where's my brush? Right here, you had the cross here. That was the beginning of the dollar strength. Boom, in July. It started to went stronger here in 2021, but then it broke out here in November. Bam, here, you're bouncing here. You're bouncing from this trend line, okay? Same like in 2021. Again, maybe Bitcoin will get more time, will save its neck somehow, get a little bounce. But again, prepare for a major bull run for the dollar. That's what this chart is saying. In my opinion, again, my 2 cents, I might be completely wrong. Now let's look on the Bitcoin chart, okay? What's happening on the Bitcoin chart? This is very bad, okay? They will not tell you that. Why? Because they think it's an accumulation. It's not an accumulation, okay? I will repeat what I said in the last few videos, okay? Look, go on the monthly, okay? Remember, crypto is cyclical. You have bull and bear, okay? Now look, I will repeat shortly what I've been saying a lot, okay? Now look, this is the cycle low, for example. This is January 2015, okay? Cycle low, that was your top, okay? Measure it, man, from the cycle low, cycle top. What do you see here? 1,064 days, okay? You can see here, 1,064 days, all right? Measure this from here, from this low to the top, 1,064 days, okay? You can see right here, okay? I made a complete video on it. Go watch it on YouTube. Now, again, we told you Bitcoin topped out. We believe Bitcoin topped out. Why? Man, take the measurement tool, stop being a baby boy, and look at it, 1,064 days. The bull season in crypto take exactly 1,064 days, okay? That's what happened in the last cycles. That's what's probably gonna happen again. You don't need to be a genius. All you need to do if you trade crypto, buy after the bear market, sell after 1,064 days. That's it, man. That's it. It's that simple. Now, obviously, you're cooked now because you didn't sell and you're holding altcoin rubbish. And you believe maybe they will pump. No, they're not. They're going down. Okay? Now, this is Bitcoin. It's actually still very high. Still very high. It's now testing the 50-week MA. It's now testing. This is the last line of support. It loses this level. Look down below, sir. Look down below. We believe if it loses the 50-week, it's going to this level. So it's going to 75,000. Obviously, not going to happen in one day. It's not going to happen in one day. We're going to have a lot of trolls on these videos, every video. Oh, you're wrong. You're not. They're crying on my channel. It's okay to cry. Take it all out. Take it all out. It's okay. It's okay. We believe it's going to start a trend down. Once it loses the 50-week MA, eventually we'll take it to these levels. Could happen fast, could happen slow, but again, This is a warning sign. If it loses the 50-week, again, it still didn't lose the 50-week. Might bounce from here, might have a big bounce. Hey, might even make a new all-time high, like they say. Me, I'm not thinking like that. I told you, I think Bitcoin topped according to the 1064 days pattern. And that's, to me, a top signal. And also, we have tons of top signals. I'm going to make regular videos on Bitcoin top signals because they are all over the place. Now, this is the line in the sand. Now, look at the daily chart. Look what happened on the daily chart, okay? Bitcoin lost the 200-day. This is the green line. It lost the 200-day MA, which is significant. Losing the 200-day MA, okay? We believe this was leg one here of the downward trend, okay? The impulsive leg one here, okay? Bam, that was your first wave. Then you had a bear flag. That's your bear flag leg two. Bouncy bounce. Fake one. Fake filthy bounce. And now a lower high is in. We believe that was your lower high. And now you're going down to leg three, which will probably take you to around these levels. You know, it could be again, speculation only, not a financial advice, only entertainment, sir, only entertainment. We believe leg one will, this leg now that you're in it, okay? Let me measure it roughly. Okay, we believe it's going to a 93 or maybe to the 87th, maybe even lower. You never know. Then you're gonna get a bounce, just like this, a fake nonsense, and then another leg down to take the lows, to come from the lows here, and then you're gonna get the bounce that you can make a lot of ROI trading altcoins on the next Bitcoin bounce once it's completing this sell-off leg now into this level. That's what we think. Again, subscribe to this channel because with our ideas, you will be able to navigate the bear. You will be able to make profits, ROIs in the bears when all your crypto baboons are gonna get completely cooked, run over by the market. The market is gonna cook them. Oh, and by the way, sir, we told you it's a head and shoulders. We told you this is a head and shoulders. They don't listen. They don't listen, man. They just don't listen. They hope and pray and they hope. But what is happening, sir? A head and shoulders top. Probability is saying down, down, down. Your measured move of the head and shoulders, okay? From here, let's measure it from here to here, okay? Only this baby, not even including the wicks, okay? The measured move is 90K, just of the head and shoulders, okay? Keep that in mind. Guys, do yourself a favor. We're moving into a very bearish environment for crypto. Altcoins are getting slaughtered. This is the best time to short them, okay? Do yourself a favor. Get Bitunix account. Where's my Bitunix account? You have amazing campaign. Joining this link, man. Unbelievable campaign. I managed to get to my audience from Bitunix. The best exchange in the world, really. I trade only there, man. I love Bitunix. Man, this is the best exchange. You know, they give you free USDT bonuses on every deposit you make. Unbelievable. Free. Bling, bling. Take bling, bling, okay? Now you can short them. You have tutorials on my channel, how to short everything. Sir, by the way, join our VIP service. We're the only service that will give you trade alerts, short trades through all the bear, and also long trades once you're gonna get the bear market rallies, because they will come at some point as well. We're gonna be ready. You wanna join our service, okay? I will show you a few trades we took, okay? And we actually recommend it to our live audience as well on the live, so make sure to cook the bell. That was one trade, okay? That was the MNT short. Okay, we are in. Okay, you can see it was short the break. Sorry, that was not the short. Let me show you the short here from my short here. This baby, okay? You can see MNT short. We short it at 149. Okay, I posted it back here once it was in the descending triangle. Okay, I have the screenshot. I will share it with you if you really want to. Drop a comment. I will give you the link to the screenshot. But look, on this one, on this baby, we're up already 30%, okay? Look at this baby. We have tons of shorts in the money. IP, look at this baby. This baby we shorted here, okay, like last week, okay? Look at this, printing, okay, 30%. All your crypto baboons, they're just losing money now. Losing money. Our accounts are going up. Our accounts will go up in the bear market consistently. And once the next bull market comes, we're going to have ton more liquidity to buy the Bitcoin after an 80% haircut. This is unbelievable. This next year is gonna be life changing for people that join the service, because this is gonna bring. This is like too much, man. Now look, I have tons of trades. Look at ZBCN short. We shorted it here. Already hit 3 targets. Bam, 18% gains. Okay, Plume as well. Amazing short as well. Already hit multiple targets here. 24% gains. Man, we have many shorts. Really, do yourself a favor. Stop following the nonsense. Stop following the nonsense. Get yourself a VIP. Join VIP. This is our service. If you trade with big amount, you know, you have 100K, 50K, 200, 1 million, you need serious service. You need a personal coacher and personal guidance. Join Elite VIP for the best service for serious investors. All right. If you're just a normal Joe, you want to start trading, you want to know how to short, you want to get all our trade alerts, all our market updates, join our VIP. Okay. Join our VIPs. Okay. Take a VIP membership. All right. I am CM. Okay. Join VIP. We're going to keep you posted. You're going to be surprised. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.